to make pumpkin chapatis today, and I have cut them into pieces. Toodles! These are the pumpkin that I have cut them into pieces, ready to put on the fire. This is the pumpkin cooking. Set it to allow to cook for 10 to 20 minutes. The ingredients are flour, oil, salt, water, and sugar with pumpkin that are already mashed and cooked. And I'll mix them on a clean container. I'll start by flour. I measure them. That's the first cup of flour. Then I use this. Add more unga so that it can be enough until starts to mess up. Add some sugar. Just mix. And then add some salt, like 2 spoons, 1.5, just for taste. Then mix properly. I want to add some oil. Oil, it helps the dough to be soft. Just add a little bit. Then you mix. You can use your spoon. You can use your hand to mix them. That can be soft. Just add some warm water. After this, I'll just apply some little oil to let it rest for 30 minutes to 40 minutes to let the dough to rise. It is just similar like the dough of making mandazi, but here in these chapatis we don't use baking powder. So this one anyone can make, a bachelor, a bachelorette, mother, person who is working. So this is for everyone. This is for the Valentine edition to surprise your loved one. It's becoming sticky. I don't know why. It's becoming sticky. Clean. Now you see the way it looks like. It is not sticky, so we apply oil. We do like this to make the unga soft. Now we will cover it for 30 to 40 minutes, then we come back, we cook our chapatis. 30 minutes are over. Let's make them into balls. These are now the flour balls. Now rolling. Wait for the pan to get hot. Pan is hot now. I put it here to let the dough brown a little bit, so that I can apply oil to brown. Let it cook. This is the final result for presentation. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you.